Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Who is that? Ramon. Wow. Whoa, Fillmore. Wow. Wow, Dinoco King. Yeah. This is Sheriff. Yeah. This is Jason Marshall. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Whoa, this is Finn. Yeah. Wow, Francesco. Haha. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Jackson Storm. Wow. Who is that? Sally. Haha. Who is that? Tomato! Wow! Who is that? Tomato! Wow! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
McQueen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow!
Who is that? Tomato. Wow.
A funny car.
Request acknowledged.
Who is that? Ramon. Wow. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
It's an electronic suit. With it, we'll be able to track your speed and your vital signs.
Does it have a phone?
Don't be crazy. Race cars don't have phones.
Wow. Dinoco King. Yeah.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
This is Gibson Marshall. Yeah.
You was worried about me, wasn't you, huh?
Who is that? Tomater. Wow.
Where are you? Shoot, you're in Radiator Springs.
Whoa, Fillmore. Wow.
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man.
Don't embarrass me, Fillmore.
Whoa, this is Finn. Yeah.
Hold on!
This is Sheriff. Yeah.
Defendant has no lawyer. The court will assign one to him.
Wow, Francesco. Haha.
It's no insult. When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama.
Who is that? Sally. Haha.
Why don't we just take a drive?
Nah.
Hello, friend. Let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Cool, DJ. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Danica Lightning McQueen. This is Jackson Storm. Wow. Wow, Francesco. Haha. Whoa, it's Clown Car. Wow. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Cool. Chick Hicks. Yeah. Danica King. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Miss Frieder. Wow. Oh, this is Red. Wow. This is Mac. Wow. Whoa, this is She-Hicks track. Yeah. This is Mac. Wow. Wow, Dinoco King. Yeah.
You know then?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
Oh, this is red. Wow.
Is it getting dark out?
Now, what was I supposed to do after that?
Life could be a dream.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
It's an electronic suit. With it, we'll be able to track your speed and your vital signs.
Does it have a phone?
Don't be crazy. Race cars don't have phones.
This is Dinoco Lightning McQueen. Whoa, it's Clown Car. Wow. This is Miss Fritter. Wow.
Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection. Oh, wait.
Whoa, this is She-Hicks track. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Kajiga, kajiga. Say it with me. Kajiga.
Wow, Francesco. Haha.
It's no insult. When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama.
Cool, DJ. Yeah.
Pretty music.
This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
Camp here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years, right?
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Ciao! You're gonna fit right in California.
Cool, She-Hicks. Yeah.
Hey, what? What's going on?
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah.